Hey, it's Jim from Intermountain Custom Models. Got it, this Intermountain STLH number 5615 lock sound. Again, on this one, I put the correct miniatures by Eric ditch lights on it, the correct pilot plow. Everything else is factory. So why don't we just give this a spin? I think I gotta start this. There we go. Again, number boards, ditch lights, headlight, horn, bell. Alright, so let's just take this guy for a quick spin. That would pair up nicely with the CP5742 that I showed you previously. Again, just in reverse. Sorry about that, a little too fast. Slow it down a little bit. About the right amount of weathering for that unit as well. Didn't want to make it look too beat. And just the headlights and ditch lights again. There you go. Thanks for watching. Bye.